Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on text to path where you could make a hotkey hitting the alternate key and it would put text to path. But that's a two-handed keystroke, uh, basically. So if you were going to do a lot of text to path on the same page all the time, maybe an easier way to do instead of making a hotkey would go to be to options, customization. While you're clicked on text to path, you don't have to try to find it. Just go to text to path right there and it'll show up. Click on it, hold down the Alt key and bring it out and set it down there and just say okay. Now, when you want to put a text to path, all you have to do is click on that box and put it on your text to path. That'll save you some strokes. And instead of having to go click on your item, go to text to path and find it. See, I've got the alternate T. That's the one I made earlier. But instead of doing that, just click on your text and hit the symbol text for path, and it'll do the same thing. So just remember when you're pulling that out to hold down the Alt key and then say OK, and it'll stay there until you don't want it anymore, and then you just exit out and it's gone. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.